Ever wished you could pull code directly from GitHub into your Rider IDE and start coding without a hassle? First, open your Rider IDE on the welcome screen. You'll notice an option labeled Git from version control. Click this button. It's your gateway to GitHub integration. A new window will appear, presenting several version control systems. Select GitHub from the list to proceed. This will open the clone repository window. Here, you'll paste the URL of the GitHub repository you want to work with. Find the code button on your GitHub repositories page and copy the repository's URL. Once you've copied the URL, paste it into the designated URL field in Rider will automatically try to find the repository. You can also specify the directory where you want the project to be located on your local machine. Click the clone button. Rider will now connect to GitHub and begin downloading the project files. After the cloning is complete, your project files will be available within Rider. Take a look at your editor to manage branches, view commit history, pull changes, and push your changes. Open the Git Tool Window, usually found on the right-hand side. This window enables you to easily switch between branches, pull updates from the remote repository, and push your own changes. Clicking the branches selection will show a drop-down list of branches to get updates or pull a branch. Right-click after selecting your branch. Now you're ready to start developing. Using these features ensures you stay synchronized with the remote repository and allows you to work effectively with your team members. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily bring GitHub repositories into your Rider IDE quickly.